You want a car that looks exotic, and you don't really care if speed isn't a strong suit. Most of the time you'll be going the speed limit anyway, or stuck at a red light, so who cares if you can't go from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds and over 200 miles per hour, as long as you look and feel like a rock star. These cars are going to draw the attention of everybody out on the road. It's like driving the keys to the city. You'll be let into any parking lot you want, any club you want, and you're not going to be out of place at any car show in the entire universe. So this is a great option if you just want to draw everyone's eyes out on the road and feel really cool about yourself, even if they aren't any faster than the donor cars they're based off of. To determine which affordable and gorgeous exotic is right for you, it's now time to decide whether you want the engine to be in front of you when driving or behind you. If you like the front engine option and you like practicality and affordability, you can click that top card right there. If you're looking for a mid or rear engine performance car, that of course is more focused on the aesthetics, but also has more convincingly exotic proportions, you can click the bottom card right there. Make your choice, make it wisely, and make it fast, because this video is about to end. So go ahead, click one of those cards. I'll see you in the next video.